feel stuck after spending 6 to 8 years trying to achieve your medical degree, or you no longer want to do the normal traditional path in clinical medicine, well, here is a step-by-step process on how to get into health tech or the pharmaceutical industry. I had to divide this into 7 steps because I wanted to be very straight and very clear on these particular steps, because I've been getting a lot of message on how to go into the non-clinical role of medicine. And the first one is clarity. You have to be clear, my friend. If you want to get into the advisory role, if you want to get into the education role, if you want to do research, or if you want to do content, you have to be very clear on what particular path you want to do in the non-clinical section. And then the next step is you need to build a targeted CV, and you have to get on LinkedIn. Like, one of the best things that happened to me trying to get into this non-clinical role is joining LinkedIn. It's such a social media platform for jobs. Like, most of the opportunities you get are not the ones you see on job boards. They're actually opportunities from connections. So get on LinkedIn right now. I don't need to do any other marketing about that, but get on LinkedIn right now and organize your CV rightly. You need to learn industry-specific basics. Okay, you want to get into data analysis in health, you want to get into health informatics, you need to learn these things. You need to get on courses, you need to get knowledge about this particular industry that you want to get into. And there are different places to learn for free. You have Coursera, Udemy, different places that you can learn online for free. So just start to get yourself familiarized with those industry specific basics. You have to network with industry professionals, and that's a cheat code, because I talked about getting on LinkedIn, and getting on LinkedIn is very important. So you'll be able to meet your industry professionals. You'll see people who are taking this path that you want to get into, and it makes it even easier for you to get into that path. You can get mentorships from there, you can get connections from there, you can get job opportunities from there. Start applying strategically. You can start by doing cold mails, and the fact you already have your CV down, you need to apply strategically. It could be reaching out to a connection and sending him your CV and telling him, okay, this is the skill I have, this is my CV. If there's a vacancy, please let me know about it. You need to apply strategically. You need to get more interviews, be used to the kind of questions they ask when you want to get that your particular role. You need to do more interviews so you get more fluent in the industry language and more keywords about that particular industry you want to get into. And the last one, and very important, is keep learning while you apply. Now, keep learning does not mean you should start online courses and not finish them. Keep learning simply is start creating content on your transition. It could be little videos about it. It could be just, little words about it on LinkedIn, but start creating content about that, your transition, while you apply to get more jobs. I hope these tips are useful. If you have any questions, do them in the comment section and I'll be glad to answer them. Okay, bye for now.